we have here is beef flanken or Korean beef, because they make a lot of this. But here in the United States, when you buy this, it's flanken. Anyway, my marinade, after I put it together, I sat it in a water bath on the stove, hot, for a half hour. Now, why would I do that? Because I figured there are raw items in here, and the fastest way for them to like blend into each other is to apply heat. Now, I looked at like 10 different recipes of this, like everybody does, like you do, and you choose the one you like the best. So what I do, I don't choose the one I like the best. I choose items that are in their recipe that I think, well, that should go well. And then, so my recipe here is a conglomeration of maybe 10 different recipes. And most of those other recipes, they're very similar. I think people just copy off each other just to get it on. So, and I'm not putting this in, like many of them say, in a bag. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for just 1 hour. And then I'm taking it out for another hour. Because I learned not over the years, learned a long time ago, if you leave something out for a couple hours, it's like refrigerating it for about 5 or 6. And what's gonna happen to the meat sitting out for an hour? Absolutely nothing. There are recipes that say, don't marinate it too long, because what they have in the recipe, like the vinegar and maybe lemon juice or whatever, can break down the meat. So you have to be mindful of that. Anyway, this I'm leaving out for an hour, and then I'm putting it away for an hour. And then I should be about ready to eat. So it's been an hour. Now I will turn them over. And after I turn them over, I will leave them sit here for another hour, out of the refrigerator. So this was 8 to 9 minutes, and they look pretty good. Nice. I hope you enjoy. So this is what my plate looks like, and it is enough for 2 people. Thank you.